Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to make natural carrot juice with ginger and I'm just about to start. I'm using 6 carrots and I'm going to wash them and chop them up in pieces. I've just finished cut up all my carrot in small pieces. And I've got 3 pieces of ginger what I'm going to add to my juice. I am going to cut up my ginger in small pieces. I've just finished up all my ginger. I'm going to put all my carrots into my blender for blending. And I'm going to add all my ginger to my carrot. And I'm adding enough water to make a ginger and my carrot. That's enough water to cover all my ingredients. And I'm about to blend all my ingredients. It's finished blending and I'm just about to strain my carrot juice. So I'm straining my carrot juice, and as you can see, it's coming out very nicely. It's all looking really good. It's all strained properly. I've got 2 whole lemons. I'm going to cut them in 2 halves and I'm going to add them to my carrot juice. am going to sweeten my carrot juice with some natural clear honey to give it a bit of taste. Because this juice is natural and healthy, I am going to put 1 tablespoon of honey. If you want to put more, it's entirely up to you, but I'm only put 1 tablespoon of honey because it's a natural and healthy juice. I'm just mixing in my honey and combine all my ingredients together to give it the flavor and taste what I want. I am going to serve some of my carrot juice over iced. Wow, this is looking very lovely, very, very lovely. I'm going to have a taste and tell you exactly what it tastes like. Very lovely, very refreshing, full of flavor, and it's really good for you. Give you good skin complexion. It's really, this juice, I would highly recommend it. It's a really healthy juice, very nice and very tasty. Thanks for watching my video. Please share, please subscribe. I'm out. Bye.